finished my first appointment with my client Charlotte. She loves the color changing gels, so we took off color changing gels on her, and then we put on more color changing gels, but then with a design in the opposite color. So that's really, really fun because she loves having a sneaky little surprise on her nails when they change color outside. So now I'm just getting ready for my next client. I have about 45 minutes until she's in. I have something to eat, I think. And I'm listening to a really good audiobook right now, or so far it's good. Queen of Thieves, I believe it's called. It's like based in the 40s. It's like a female-led theft group, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna listen to that. Yet today. Sorry, bumpy road. I've had 2 clients today. I just finished up with my second of the day. The first one was just a builder solid color, so I didn't film that, but now I have a bit of time to kill. My last client, she accidentally came a half hour early, which was totally fine because I had a big break. So I just took her, and then so now I think I have an hour and a half until my next client. I already had lunch, so I'm not hungry. So I think I'm gonna finish swatching. I started swatching those D-gel painting gels. I think I'm gonna keep swatching those. See if I have anything else that needs swatching because I'm probably behind on swatching. And actually probably tidy up my little break room here because this morning Pat came and was like, basically my window had the landlord special and it was painted closed, so he was opening it up so he can install my AC unit for me tomorrow, which will be lovely because it's getting hot in Toronto. Also, did I mention the bubble nails yet? I may have mentioned it yesterday. I feel like I tell lots of people things and I never remember who I tell, but I ordered syringes to do these bubble nails, which I'm really excited to do, and they have arrived. I don't know if I'll do any now as like a test. I might wait till I'm like, you know, feeling the groove to do them. But yeah, nothing else exciting going on. Next up, I have 1 client in for a removal, and then I have a client in after that for builder solid color. So it's gonna be a pretty mellow day. I mean, rest of my day. It's already been a half a day. It's like 3 o'clock. Good morning. It's Saturday. Is it Saturday? Yes, it's Saturday. I'm just getting ready for the day. I had a bit of a late start this morning, which is lovely. So, and I also ran out of here so fast last night to watch the Leafs lose. So I'm just getting things ready. My client will be here in about 20 minutes, but I just got 2 art clients today, which will be very fun. Looking forward to both sets. That's about it. I'm wearing my Marnie loafers again. These ones, the green ones, trying to break them in because they still kill me, but I want to wear them desperately. So I'm gonna try and wear them to my studio more. Maybe I should actually leave them here. I can just put them on every day when I come in. That way they hopefully get a little bit more broken in, because like my heels were absolutely a bloody mess, and like not like actual blood, you know what I mean? So I need to figure that out. Anyway, I'll show you today's sets. So I finished my first client. My second client just called me and they have a bit of an emergency and they can't make it in, unfortunately. So I now want to sit here and make some charms because I just made a cup of tea. So I have a whole cup of tea to drink. But yeah, I've been wanting to make charms. So I think I'm gonna make some charms, which is very fun. I'm gonna swap my saddle stool for the client chair though, because that's way comfier than a saddle stool. And yeah, I'll pull out all my molds. There's some that I haven't used yet. I've like sampled a bunch, but there's some that I haven't. So I'm excited about that. I should watch some charm making videos because I'm sure there's tons out there and see how other people do it. Okay, I just made a bunch of charms. Will you look at how cute these are? Like the Tamagotchis? Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed. I'm really glad I decided to stay at the studio and do this. Hang on, let me get, oh fuck, just dropping them. Get some better lighting on those. That one, the black glittery one, is flash gel too, so it'll light up when you take photos of it. Like, what? These are so cute. Good morning, happy Monday. I'm just waiting for my first client of the day to arrive. I took yesterday off for Mother's Day to hang out with my mom, which was so fun. I actually ended up doing her nails. I was going to film it, but then I forgot. So there's that. But yeah, so I have 3 appointments today. 2 of them aren't. My eyes are all frigged up again because of allergies, which was just a delight. I went to a new nail supply store yesterday, which was fun because I was with my mom when we were in Mississauga. So I went to Nails R Us. My first experience there. It's nice to be able to see things in person. They had not a ton of supplies, but like some stuff that I use, and then that's a nice angle. And then yeah, some brands that I use, like a Prey, and then just like some random stuff. So it was just fun to walk around and see everything in person. I just got like a few cuticle pushers, sandy bands, kind of boring stuff. That's about it. I'm gonna finish setting up. We were doing builder tier 2, and yeah. Finished up my second client of the day. I didn't film it because we did just a solid color, but it was a solid builder color. We did Teddy from Builder in the Bottle, the gel bottle. Another Builder in a Bottle convert, which is nice. Everyone's feeling the strength and loving it. But my client brought me a snack, which is so nice. I'm gonna have that now while I wait for my next client to arrive. She'll be here in about an hour, so I'm gonna chill. I'm practicing my Japanese using Duolingo because we're going to Japan in a few months, so I'm trying to learn key phrases, which I think it'll probably take me from now until September to learn them. And so I'm doing that. So I'm going to do some of the little exercises and watch Sex Education on Netflix because I'm almost done. Which is going to be sad. What am I going to watch after that? But I'm going to do that and rest because I'm feeling quite tired.